Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by mowing low and immediately marking heavy quackgrass patches so you know where to attack first. Use a spading fork to loosen soil around each patch. This preserves turf and exposes rhizomes. Remove entire rhizome networks. Short pieces regrow, so dig at least 3 to 4 inches deep and follow roots laterally. Once done with a patch, bag material or compost separately to avoid spreading. Make sure to work when soil is moist, not soggy, so roots pull cleanly. Now you focus on the middle phase. Remove regrowth and target hidden pieces. Spot treat visible regrowing shoots with a systemic herbicide. It moves to rhizomes and weakens the plant, or keep pulling every 2 to 3 weeks to exhaust its reserves. After control, apply a pre-emergent in early spring to stop new quackgrass seedlings. Then overseed or patch with dense turfgrass suited to your lawn. Thicker grass competes and reduces space for quackgrass to re-establish. Finish by repairing bare areas promptly. Rake, add a 1/2 to 1 inch of compost, seed, and keep the soil moist until new grass is established. Maintain healthy mowing and watering practices to give turf the advantage. A vigorous lawn crowds out quackgrass. If the problem persists, take one troubleshooting step. Isolate a stubborn patch and solarize with clear plastic for 6 to 8 weeks or intensify spot herbicide applications. That forces root dieback. Then reseed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.